Good morning, dear children. It's story time, and today we are going to listen the story which is based on this letter. Yes, T and H. When T and H comes together, it makes sound of th. So today we are going to listen the story which is based on th sound. So promise me that you will listen carefully. That's great. Let's start. The name of our storybook is Phonic Reader, and we are going to listen the story. Okay. The name of this story is Th Tha I R U Thiru and Th Tha A P K I Tha A P K I Thapki. So the name of our story is Thiru and Thapki. Thiru and Thapki. Okay, you can see in this picture that Thiru is reading book for Thapki, and all of a sudden Thapki heard the sound of thunder, and Thapki is scared so badly, and you can see in this picture she closed her eyes and plugged ears too. And Thiru said, Thapki, hey Thapki, don't be scared. It's a sound of thunder only. So don't be scared and say tha tha tha. और फिर क्या हुआ? थोड़ी देर में थीरू और थपकी का भी डर भाग गया, and they both start dancing. And after dancing, Thiru and Thapki sang rhyme. तो चलिए थीरू और थपकी के साथ हम भी इस राइम को रीड करना सीखते हैं. Let's start. Tha I ra u Thiru and Tha A P K I Thapki. Ga O go. Thiru and Thapki go. Tha tha tha. Tha tha tha. Tha tha tha. Come to the next line. Tha A Na Da R. Tha anathan da r dar. Thunder. And Tha A Ma Ba. Tha A Ma Ba thumbs. Ga O go. Thunder and thumbs go. Tha tha tha. Tha tha tha. Tha I. See your K. When it comes together, it makes sound of K only. Tha I K. Thick. And Tha I N. Thin. Thick and thin go. Tha tha tha. Tha tha tha. Thank you so much for watching my video.